back to my channel, and hello if you're new. In today's new video, I'm going to be showing you guys some super cute, easy DIYs that you can make at home with stuff you have probably lying around, like paper clips and paper. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Check out any of my other videos if you want to. My Instagram, Twitter, PO Box, and all that stuff is also down below, and I hope you enjoy. Let's get started and make some super cute things. So yeah, for the first one, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I made this, or it looks better when I fold the paper over, hold on, or how I guess you could say I made this. Why am I struggling? This video is just me struggling the whole time. This video has become Watch Lauren struggle as she tries to figure out how paper clips work. Yay! This was supposed to be an easy DIY video. There's a link. Ow! See? Be careful! There we go. A little heart paper clip. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, basically you want to bend this part upwards to make a little heart, and I've had trouble doing it. Make sure though that the paper clip is facing exactly this way, so the little end pointing this way, the tail on this side, so when you bend it, it should make a heart sort of. But yeah, basically you want to fold the top part up like this till it makes a little heart shape. Sorry for the really bad example there, but yeah, it should look something like that, and it's super cute. Basically, this DIY does take a little bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, it's super cute. Here's another thing that I messed up on. I had the tail of the paper clip on the wrong side. Yeah, just practice and be careful, because paper clips are slightly sharp. And yeah. You know, minus my countless failed attempts, these little guys are very cute. All you need is paper clips and maybe some pliers, and of course paper to put it on. So yeah, on to the next DIY. For the second DIY, you will be needing origami paper and scissors. If you're not very skilled in origami, this may be hard. I'm going to take out my origami paper here. I am semi-skilled in origami. I started about 10 years ago. Ooh, let's do this pastel yellow. That's really pretty. Yeah, we'll start with this beautiful pastel yellow sheet. I want to do pink, but like it's already on a pink background, so like, you know. Yeah, anyways, go ahead and cut a small strip. Go ahead and make sure your origami sheets aren't stuck together before you cut the strips off of them, because now we have Cosmo and Wanda, like that TikTok trend. Great. But this is what you're gonna wanna do. Yes, we're making those teeny tiny stars, if you're wondering. So here is how I make these super cute little origami stars. So the first thing you wanna do is make sure the pink side is facing inwards as you tie a knot in your strip of paper. Then cut off the excess on the upper right side after flipping it, of course. Don't cut off the long side. And then you're gonna wanna go ahead and tuck in that edge. Then you're going to take the longer side and fold it up and over and up and over and up and over a couple times till you get another pocket to put the other said corner. Cut off the excess there and tuck the corner into that other pocket. Then go ahead and pinch the sides for this super cute DIY little origami star. Once again, practice makes perfect with these. When I first started doing it, they looked awful. In fact, they looked awful when I tried to make some for this video, so yeah. But other than that, it's super cute. Yay! So kawaii! And squish out the little sides. Squish, squish. So yeah, then I made a few more of these. Typically in Japan, they give these as gifts in glass jars. You can fold a whole bunch of them. They're really cute and they just take practice. So yeah, that's how I make those teeny tiny origami stars. They're so tiny, I'm about to explode! So then I went ahead and just put them in this little holographic rainbow bag and just put it with my other art stuff, because I don't know. And then I guess we're gonna go do the next DIY. Yep, okay. So for my third and final DIY, it's a little more complicated. I'm gonna make, with these leftover 3 pastel paper clips, some teeny tiny bookmarks just to put on the ends of them, and I'm gonna draw little guys, and we're gonna have fun doing that. So yeah, I guess the first step is draw a cute character on some sketch paper. So yeah, then I went ahead and started sketching out some characters. Turns out the character I picked was Cinnamon so I drew a bunch of, well, Sanrio's Cinnamon so I drew the best interpretation of that I could of Sanrio's Cinnamon puppy. I did a few of them, and they turned out super cute. So yeah. Then I outlined them with pen, and then don't forget to continue watching, because then I painted them super cute pastel colors and they look so adorable. So yes. So here's what I've sketched so far. I'm gonna do the line work and paint them. So yeah, like so. So I went ahead, outlined them in pen as you do with art, and erased all the excess. Does this one look derpy? Yes. But are they all adorable? Yes. So yeah, now I'm just going to fill them in with paint. Okay, I got my painting stuff out, got a little paintbrush. I'm gonna mix some colors, and yeah, like so. So now we have the finished product. Right here, it's all dry. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some Mod Podge and some glitter, and it's gonna look super cute. Then I'm going to cut them out and glue them to the paper clips. Just a thin layer of Mod Podge. Oh my god, it's so cute. Yep, that should suffice. Oh goodness, this is kawaii to the max. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh no, this is making me happy. So yeah, I'm gonna let this dry, rinse the Mod Podge off my paintbrush really quick, and then we're gonna cut them out, glue them onto the leftover paper clips, and we're gonna make the cutest bookmarks you ever did see. Okay, yeah. So it is quite literally 9 o'clock. I did not realize how long this video would take. So yeah, I'm gonna spend a lot of time editing. But let's go ahead and cut these out, glue them onto the paper clips, and I can take some thumbnail pictures and go to bed because I am tired. But it's okay. I actually took a break for dinner while this dried, so I guess that's kind of my fault, but whatever. They're very cute. Let's cut them out and make them into cute paperclip bookmark thingies. Oh my god, I can't. I'm an artist. Look at it. Look at it. Ah. So after I finished cutting out the cinnamon roll bookmarks, I went ahead and used some E6000 glue to stick the paperclip to the character. And yeah, please be careful with E6000 glue or any super glue, because it's super glue and it can stick your fingers together. So yeah, and it's super cute. Anyway, friends, I hope you enjoyed that video. I still have my paperclip boy. He's so cute. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Go check out any of my other videos now if you liked watching this one, of course. Yeah, my Instagram, Twitter, eBay, and my P.O. box are down below. Please remember to go check those out. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye! Look, it's all finished. So cute!